the Ga people of Ghana. The Gadangme Community Association of Virginia will host this year's festival at the Bull Run Special Events Center on Saturday, September 7, 2024, from 9:30 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. Our festivities will include a complete cultural reenactment of the Homowo Festival, as celebrated in Accra, our homeland. It will also feature a musical extravaganza, an open market bazaar, allowing various vendors to showcase their products and businesses. We welcome all volunteers, vendors, and interested parties to collaborate with us for a meaningful and successful celebration. Each event is designed to immerse you in our culture, make you feel our community's heartbeat, and inspire you with the resilience and unity that Homowo presents. You can find details on www.homowofestival.org. The address again is www.homowofestival.org. Homowo carries a message that resonates universally. It reminds us of the power of community, the importance of working together in times of need, and the beauty of celebrating our shared values and victories. In a world where challenges abound, Homowo stands as a beacon of hope, a call to nurture our bonds, and a reminder that we can overcome any obstacle together. It is a unique privilege to have you here with us today, and we look forward to sharing the sights, sounds, and flavors of the Homowo Festival with all. As you cover this event, we hope that you capture the vibrancy of our celebrations and the spirit of resilience and unity that defines us. Let us celebrate Homowo together, reaffirming our heritage and looking forward to a future filled with hope and abundance. Thank you.
Thank you, Nee. As we proceed, we're gonna have one of our celebrities to perform for us, to entertain us whilst we refreshing ourselves. He go by the name Nee Oseye. You already know who is it? Anybody know why yo? I say why yo. Give it up for Nee Oseye.
Thank you so much, DJ Risky. Hi everybody, how y'all doing? Yeah, y'all know Nee Oseye on stage. So I'm gonna do I'm gonna give you like maybe 2 songs, yeah, because we have to reserve more songs for tonight, and then the 7th of September, the Homowo Day, is gonna be something else. It's gonna be something else. Okay, thank you so much. So I'm gonna give you 2 songs, and then I will have my big brother too here with a Kobe, so he can do a little something. Are you ready? Are you ready? I can hear you. You know what? Anywhere I go, I love to sing with my audience. You all know that. So I would love each and every one here to join me in singing. All right, hit it, DJ. Ouch. What is going on? Due to technical difficulties, we having technical problems over there. Whoa. I can feel it. I can sing, but you know, yeah.
You have already been in Boston, walking in Bawabi, face or
Yeah, due to technical difficulties, so we're gonna fix this real quick.
I'll launch.
We go on it.
Abomodin, I'll launch Homowo Festival, Virginia near me. September 7th, I come over Association. Walk a fair Baba near Bueno. Shkume Virginia Pansa. Virginia wakanye yone ni obabo made akashi wakano fia no bawo kwano ni nyemene nyeyo shongbe nye
Ado.
kuni
Maybe if I was you trying to face this difficulty here, I'll say you all can go have some refreshment right now.